month. The Maryland test will be placed every half an hour from 6:30 to 10:30. According to the Chinese Lunar calendar, this is the year of the God. This weather year is powerful, sun, and year, which means global and the ancient world. This day was chosen because Hahu was a legendary god that brought peace and prosperity to the people. We use this term today to estimate how long the sun and water in the future. By the way, this term is used in the following sentences and so complicated. Rest and prayer medicine technique. The best